Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this tutorial, you'll learn to create this Collet chuck. And to create this, we'll learn to use Revolve, Thin Extrude, and Circular Pattern. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this Collet chuck, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. We have the dimensions here. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create a center line with 18 millimeters of length. And we will create a line for this hole here. So we will create a line here because we use the Revolve to create this part, okay? And the distance between this line here and this one will be the radius of this hole. And the radius is 3/2, 1.5 millimeters. So let's create this, open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select a line, construction geometry, make a line here with 18 millimeters of length. And select line again, but remove the construction geometry, make a line here, and go to constraint, select equal, select this line and this one, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines is 1.5 millimeters. And here go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and the midpoint. We made this one here. And now we will go to this sketch here. And the first thing that we'll make here, we will create this line here, and look that we have a dimension here for a vertical line, and we will create a line here. This line here has 0.1 millimeters of length. The distance between this point here and this one will be 2.5 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to line, click here on this point, make a line here, another line here, and another one here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point here and this line is 2.5 millimeters. And this line here has 0.1 millimeters. And the angle between this line here and the center line is 60/2. It is 30 degrees. And the distance between this line here and the center line is the diameter of this chuck. The diameter 11.5/2 will be the radius here, okay? 11.5/2. So select this point and the center line here, 11.5/2, and press OK. Let me move the dimensions here a little bit. We made this one. And now we will create these three lines here. And the length of this line is 2 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and the center line is 9.5/2. And this point here and this point is vertical, horizontal, vertical constraints. So select line again, click here in this point, make this sketch here. Go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point, and go to sketch dimension. We have 2 millimeters here. And the distance between this line here and the center line is 9.5/2. And now we will create these two lines here. And here, the angle between this line and the center line is 80 degrees, 16/2. Select the line, click here in this point. But let me see something here. We have a vertical line here. So we have a line here with 0.35 and then these two lines, okay? So make a horizontal line here with 0.35 and now create these two lines here. Make sure that this line is a vertical line and the angle here is 8 degrees. We made this sketch and now finish the sketch and go to Revolve features. The axis, select this construction line. Operation here is new body and the angle 360 degrees and press OK. We made this one. Okay. And now we will create this cut here and this face. So to create this cut, we will select this face here to create a sketch and we'll make a line here. Look that the angle between this line and this center line is 22.5 degrees. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select this face, select a line. Let's create a center line here with 10 millimeters. And create another line here, but remove the construction geometry. And go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 22.5 degrees. And the distance between this point and the midpoint, let's use 7.5 millimeters. And now finish the sketch. We need to cut this and the thickness of this cut is 0.2 millimeters. And we needed to cut this 17 millimeters. We will create a cut in this side with 70 millimeters to this direction from this face to this side here. And then we will create the same cut but in this face to this side with 17 millimeters of length. So here go to Extrude and the type here select thin extrude, select this line and the start profile plane, the direction one side, the distance here 17 millimeters, but we use the minus 17 millimeters. Taper angle 0, wall thickness is 0.2 millimeters. And the wall location, select the center. We will make this cut here, operation cut, and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create the same but in this side and it will be in the center here. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, rotate this and select this face. And select a line, make a line here with 7.5 millimeters. And finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, Thin Extrude, select this profile. And the direction one side, the distance here minus 17 millimeters. The wall thickness 0.2 millimeters. And the wall location, select the center, operation cut, and press OK. And now we need to create 8 cuts here. So to create this, go to circular pattern, the object, select the features, select the last 2 extrude. The axis here, select the center axis here, or you can select this face. The quantity here is 8. Distribution full and press OK. We made this one. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.